Welcome to my channel. My name is Popka Innocent. In today's video, we are going to talk about Faceless YouTube channel. Faceless YouTube channel ideas that you can use to start your own Faceless YouTube channel. I will also give you reasons why some persons embark on Faceless channel instead of personal branded channels. And lastly, we shall talk about YouTube automation. If you have not subscribed to this channel, then go ahead and click on the subscribe button below. Turn on the bell notification so that YouTube can always inform you as soon as I publish a new valuable video like this. A faceless YouTube channel is a YouTube channel where the creator does not show his face on camera as I'm doing or reveal their name. What I'm doing right here now is a personal branded channel where I show my face on camera, as you can see my face, and I also reveal my name. At the beginning of this video, I introduce myself. In this case, it is called a personal branded channel. This is unlike a faceless channel where I will not need to show my face on camera. I will not need to say my name. I will just go behind the scene and produce screen recorded videos, commentary, reaction videos, review videos, and the rest. Before I proceed to share some faceless YouTube channel ideas with you, let me give you 5 basic reasons why people go for faceless YouTube channel. Number 1 reason why most persons go for faceless channel is for privacy. They just want to keep their personal identity private. They don't want some persons to know who they are or what they are doing. The second reason why some persons create a faceless YouTube channel is for safety. Safety is important, especially for content creators who are involved in controversial and sensitive issues. Just like what 𝐒𝐻_lover does, those issues are sensitive. So if such persons reveal their identity, they may be arrested every now and then. So for safety reasons, those kind of people who are into controversial and sensitive issues, they do not reveal their identity. For safety purposes, they go faceless. The third reason why some persons embark on faceless YouTube channel is because of branding and business purposes. What we mean by branding is for personal brand, you can see that I have to show my face, I have to say my name, I have to introduce myself and bring my personality here on YouTube. But for faceless YouTube channel, you don't need to say your name, you don't need to put your face on camera. That's to say that if you are recording your screen or you are doing commentary or review behind the scene without showing your face, that one has become a business brand. And when it is a business brand, you can easily sell it off to another person. Okay, if you are tired of the channel tomorrow, or you don't want to continue, or at a point in time you just want to go for something else other than YouTube, you can decide to sell that faceless channel, and another person who wants to continue from where you stop will not struggle with convincing your audience or viewers. Rather, the person will just continue and go faceless. It's easier to sell a faceless channel and get the monetary gain. The third reason why some persons go for faceless YouTube channel is because they are camera shy. Not every person can put their face on the camera like this and record their videos. A lot of persons are camera shy, so they cannot do this. Therefore, they decide to go behind the scene and embark on a faceless YouTube channel where they don't have to show their face on camera. And the fifth reason why a lot of persons go for faceless YouTube channel is for anonymity. A lot of persons just want to remain anonymous behind the scene and do what they are doing, especially for some persons that the nature of their work will not allow them to embark on another kind of business. They just want to use their free time and do a faceless YouTube channel while they continue their work. Their co-workers will not know that they are doing something like that on YouTube. Their friends and family will not also know that they have a YouTube channel. While they go to the office, they become an employee there and they go behind the scene to do their YouTube business. Now that you understand what faceless YouTube channel is, and you also understand reasons why people embark on faceless YouTube channel, let's look at some faceless YouTube channel ideas that you can use for your faceless YouTube channel. Number 1 on my list is tutorial and how-to videos. There are YouTube channels that go faceless by creating tutorial videos, how-to videos, how to do this, how to do that. These are channels on education niche that teach people how to do a particular thing. They are tutorial videos, they are education videos, which they just record with their screen. They screen record maybe on their laptop or on their mobile phone, and they are able to publish on YouTube. People do not care about who is behind this kind of videos. What they are interested in, the videos solving their problem. And with that, these people get views, they get subscribers, and they build a sustainable business on YouTube. The second faceless YouTube channel on my list is animation videos. You might have seen some videos on YouTube where they use whiteboard animation, 2D, 3D animation, or different kinds of animation. They animate these characters and they use it for storytelling. They also use it for drama and different purposes. This is another faceless YouTube channel idea if you don't want to show your face on camera. The third faceless YouTube channel idea on my list is product review videos. You have seen some videos where they will just show image of the product or a video clip of this product. They animate those videos and they comment on the video. You will only be hearing their voice when they are talking about the product. They are reviewing the product. These are called faceless YouTube channel because they don't show their face on camera. You only see images or videos of this product and they do a voiceover to review that product. Another faceless YouTube channel idea I have here is AI videos. You might have seen several AI videos. InVideo, you can use InVideo to generate faceless channel. You can also use some tools like 𝐂𝐤𝐤𝐞 and different other AI software to generate an AI avatar that will be reading news, do drama, or give you presentation on your channel. These particular AI tools have been used by different YouTube creators to create a faceless channel. Before I continue, I want you to like this video. If you are getting value, then encourage me by giving this video a thumbs up, like this video and drop a comment. That will encourage me to continue what I am doing. The next faceless YouTube channel idea I have is sports channel. You might have seen some YouTube channel on sports where they use sports clips. It could be about soccer, that is football, basketball, tennis, or whatever kind of sports. They create this channel and they just give a voiceover behind the scene while the video keeps playing. People watch this kind of videos a lot. They don't care about who is responsible. They are just after the fun, the entertainment they derive from watching this video. These videos excel very well on YouTube and it's a good faceless YouTube channel idea. Another faceless YouTube channel idea I have here is channel on psychology and motivation videos. You might have seen some motivation videos or videos on psychology, and these channels go totally faceless. They may only use some stock videos and they do voiceover behind, and these videos are doing excellently well on YouTube. Another faceless YouTube channel idea is historic videos and travels. If you're someone who is interested in history, you can record videos on history, maybe about Nigeria or different cities in Nigeria, how these cities came about, how a particular segment of people originated from so and so. This is just about history, not only about a particular country, and we can also talk about a tribe, different set of people and all that. Then if you're interested in travels and tour, then you can also do a faceless channel, different travels, places you can visit in the world, how these places were created, the most beautiful places in different parts of the world. One faceless YouTube channel idea that is trending right now is the African folktale storytelling channel, where they use AI to generate images that they use for their storytelling, and these channels have been performing excellently well. It may not only be African folktales, you can also use it to tell different stories of different people. These channels do well because people like storytelling. Some other faceless YouTube channel ideas I have here is the DIY, that is do-it-yourself videos. You might have seen some crafts that they do-it-yourself videos. They teach you how to do those things. They only film where they are doing it, but they don't show their face on camera. Those particular videos, it can be anything that you know how to do. You can just show the process of how to do it without showing your face. These videos also do well. Then cooking video. This is another faceless channel that you don't need to show your face and it will also do well. Another one is reaction video. People do reaction videos without showing their face. They only do a voiceover at the background, and these videos are also performing very well. Then animal videos. People give uncommon facts about different animals. This is another faceless YouTube channel idea that you can embark on if you are a lover of animals. If you are interested in podcasts, then podcast is another faceless YouTube channel idea. Tech reviews. People review different technology systems without showing their face. That is another faceless YouTube channel idea. Now that you know some faceless YouTube channel ideas, let me tell you what YouTube automation is. Before then, like this video if you have not done that, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have subscribed before, you don't need to subscribe again. But if you have not subscribed, simply go ahead and click on the subscribe button below. Turn on the bell notification so that YouTube will always notify you when I publish a new video. It is free to subscribe. You are not paying money. Just click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Have you done that now? All right, let's continue. YouTube automation is the process of outsourcing the tasks of producing videos, editing videos, designing video thumbnails, uploading videos, and managing the channel to freelancers. There are a lot of freelancers on Fiverr, Upwork, and other freelancing platforms who are ready to do these tasks for you and get paid. All you need to do as the owner of the channel is to outsource this job while you earn ads revenue. So in simple terms, YouTube automation is the process where you as the owner of the channel, you go faceless. These freelancers create all the videos for you. They do the thumbnail design for you. They upload these videos and manage the channel for you. You pay them while you keep earning from YouTube. It's a business model that a lot of persons are embarking on, and it is really amazing. This is best for those who are busy. They cannot do this work, but they have money to pay somebody that will be doing it for them while they earn on YouTube. Don't forget to like this video.